Audio is everything when it comes to content creation. Viewers might forgive shaky footage, but bad sound? Never. That's why today we're taking a first look at the brand new DJI Mic 4, a wireless microphone system that promises to deliver studio-quality audio in a pocket-sized design. From the moment you unbox it to the instant you hit record, DJI wants your first use to feel seamless, powerful, and professional. In this video, we'll dive into what makes the DJI Mic 4 so exciting, why it's a big step forward for creators, and whether it really lives up to the hype. The world of audio recording has undergone a dramatic transformation in recent years. What once required bulky, studio-grade equipment can now be achieved with portable, wireless devices that fit comfortably into the palm of your hand. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Among the companies at the forefront of this revolution is DJI, a brand most commonly associated with drones and camera stabilization equipment. Yet DJI's expansion into the audio market has been both surprising and incredibly well received, especially with their wireless microphone solutions. With the release of the DJI Mic 4, the company appears to be taking its vision for high-quality, user-friendly audio gear to an entirely new level. The phrase, first use, becomes especially important here because the very first experience of unboxing, setting up, and testing a microphone often sets the tone for how users perceive its value. In the case of the DJI Mic 4, this first encounter is designed not only to impress but also to highlight how intuitive and advanced audio recording has become. The importance of capturing clear, reliable audio cannot be overstated. Whether you are a vlogger, podcaster, filmmaker, journalist, or even a casual content creator experimenting with social media, sound can make or break the final result. Viewers may tolerate imperfect visuals for a while, but poor sound quality almost always pushes them away. DJI recognized this critical truth when it launched its earlier microphone systems, and with the Mic 4, it has built upon that foundation to provide users with an even more refined experience. From the moment you open the box, everything about the design and setup seems to whisper simplicity and sophistication. This is what makes the first use of the DJI Mic 4 not just a technical process, but an introduction to a new way of recording audio. For those familiar with DJI's previous microphones, such as the DJI Mic or the DJI Mic 2, there is already a certain level of expectation. These products were praised for their compact form, reliable wireless transmission, and ease of integration with a wide range of devices. The Mic 4, however, feels like a leap forward rather than a mere iteration. Industry leaks, promotional teasers, and early reviews have all suggested that DJI is aiming to address some of the most common pain points in the wireless mic category: limited battery life, occasional signal drops, and complicated pairing procedures. By tackling these issues head-on, DJI is positioning the Mic 4 as a product that not only delivers excellent sound, but also removes barriers that often frustrate users during their first use. The unboxing experience plays a huge role in shaping first impressions, and DJI has long been known for its premium packaging. Opening the DJI Mic 4 case feels less like unwrapping a gadget and more like preparing a tool of the trade. The case itself doubles as a charging dock, an organizational hub, and a transport solution, immediately signaling that this is a professional product designed with practicality in mind. Each component has its place, and the attention to detail in the design